World Nature Conservation Day on the 28th July, we are reminded of a simple yet profound truth. A healthy environment is the foundation of a stable society and a thriving economy. This day calls upon each of us to adopt eco-friendly practices, reduce our carbon footprints, and preserve the rich biodiversity of our planet. Tripura, this call resonates with particular urgency, for we are blessed with natural wealth that is both our inheritance and our responsibility. We gather here in Agartala at the heart of a state blessed with extraordinary natural wealth. Tripura's forests are not merely green cover, they are the lifeblood of our state. With at most 1.5 million hectares of forest forming a vital part of our rural economy. These forests provide livelihood to our significant tribal population and forest department communities. Forest degradation compels many to depend on shifting cultivation, which increases soil erosion risks on hill slopes, especially in upper catchment areas. This is not only degrades our forests but also reduces the capacity of irrigation facilities and decreases across to drinking water in rural communities. The second challenge is climate vulnerability. Tripura locates in the eastern Himalayan foothills is increasingly experiencing the adverse effects of climate change on our predominantly rain-fed smallholder agriculture system. Our farmers face erratic rainfall, rising temperatures and delayed monsoon onset, all of which impact our key crops, rice, pineapple and rubber. The third challenge is air quality. When we think of pollution, we often think of metropolitan cities, but recent data reveals a concerning trend for our state also. Even more alarmingly, the Assam-Tripura airshed has emerged as a region with year-round air quality challenges, with elevated pollution levels even during the monsoon season. The success of India's first self-sustaining bio-village at Daspara in Sipai Jala district is a shining example of what we can achieve. Through the Bio-Village 2.0 initiative, 64 families transformed their village through renewable energy, organic farming, and sustainable practices. With support from the Japan International Cooperation Agency, the Sustainable Catchment Forest Management Project is being implemented across 7 districts covering 36 forest ranges and 16 forest subdivisions, forming 450 giant forest managements. Now let me speak about the future, about what we are preparing for the generation of Tripura yet to come. Our vision is clear. We must move from conservation to transformation. We are committed to mainstreaming climate smart agriculture into Tripura's state action plan on climate change, supported by constitutional, institutional convergence, participatory planning, and decentralized resources centers. This will ensure that every farmer, every village has the knowledge and tools to adapt to climate change. We plan to scale up the bio-village model across all districts. The success of Daspara has shown us that sustainable development is not just possible, it is profitable and empowering. We will establish more roadside small market zones and forest producers outlets to help people sell forest and agricultural products directly. We are developing six eco parks across six of our 8 districts with an investment of approximately 10 crore. These eco parks will be governed by giant forest management groups promoting tourism, conservation and livelihood generation simultaneously. We are investing in air quality monitoring infrastructure to protect the health of our citizens, especially in tribal areas where such facilities have been lacking. And we are committed to creating a new generation of environmental leaders. We are training our youth as nature guides, hospitality professionals, and forest-based entrepreneurs. But friends, government initiative alone cannot save our environment. Conservation must begin with each of us, in our homes, in our communities. I urge every citizen of Tripura, plant native trees in your localities. They provide habitats for birds and insects and reduce soil erosion. Conserve water, fix household leaks, adopt rainwater harvesting. Conserve water, fix household leaks, adopt rainwater harvesting. Reduce, reuse and recycle. लिमिट सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक्स, ये अपना सिद्धांत होना है. ये कम से कम यूज़ करना, रीयूज़ करना, वैसे फिर रिसाइकलिंग करना. लोअर योर एनर्जी कंजम्पशन, स्विच टू एलईडी लाइट्स एंड टर्न ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक when not in use. Our ancestors protected these forests, water bodies and fertile lands for us. The question is, what will we leave for our children? Will we be remembered as a generation that depleted Tripura's natural wealth, or the generation that stored it? Let us resolve today as governor, as forest officers, as citizens to be the guardians of Tripura's natural heritage. Let us work together to ensure that the beauty and bounty of our state are preserved for generations to come. So lastly, let us build a Tripura where forests thrive, where water flows clean, where air is pure, and where every community prospers in harmony with nature. Jai Hind, Jai Tripura. Thank you.